Alright, what up, y'all? So, I know I'm late, but I done had this car for a year, and I'm just now figuring out how to work them headlight washers. So, crank this up. But, yeah, so, there's no buttons nowhere for none of that other than the regular wiper thing. So, I'm thinking you hit the wash, they wash them. But, it's not quite how it works. And, it's like, let's say I hit the washer now. Zoom out. There we go. So yeah, you hit the washer. It's just the windshield washer. I didn't realize you had to turn the headlights on. And I heard somebody say they had to be on, but apparently auto is not on. So you got to turn them all the way on, like actually on. Then, once you pull it, let me see. Hopefully y'all can see it when it shoots up. Yeah, so it'll spray. Let me hop out real quick so y'all can see that it did get wet. So yeah, they work. I just didn't know how you turn them on. So yeah, doesn't work with auto. You gotta actually turn them on. So the more you know. Also, I don't know if anybody else got this little button. This is supposed to be like a defrost or whatever for the windshield wiper. So maybe I'll try that out when it gets best cold, when the winter hits. So we'll see how that works. But yeah, that's it.